Yes, this is Mark Lepetis, and I'm the semiconductor editor of EE Times, and I'm here at the Design Automation Conference. I'm talking to two gentlemen from Taiwan foundry provider, United Microelectronics Corporation. On my right is Lee Chung, Vice President of the Corporate Marketing Division. To my left is Mort Amdat, and he's the Senior Director of the Global Marketing Division. And we're here at their in the hallways here, and we're talking about the foundry industry. And I'd like to ask Lee here, where are we at in the foundry business now? Is we're seeing a lull in the business, or are we going to see a second half surge, or where are we at in the cycle?
And from UMC point of view, I think we think the foundry it may not see as good as we'd like to see. We worry about economies, like the subprime is still a lingering effect, and oil prices are high. So we are really conservative as of now today.
Okay. And the second question is, where are we at in terms of the overall foundry business? And we've seen a shakeout, and we see fewer companies can do the leading edge, right?
There's no question that fewer companies can do a leading edge, especially like you build a fab, take about $5 billion to build a fab for like 65 nanometer. And the second thing is also the customers is getting fewer and fewer, and the design cycle also take a lot longer. And used to be like in 1 year or 18 months you can put in production. Right now it takes 2 years and even 3 years, 2.5 years. So that's is major challenge for foundry. So what foundry need to do right now is first of all we need to have some sort of more complete solution, especially for second wave type customers. And also foundry need to work with the first wave customer very closely to bring up the yield very fast. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense to go to the more advanced technology, because otherwise that just doesn't make sense. It will take too long to bring up the product. Yeah. So I think that right now there's a major challenge for foundry. The most low 2 years doesn't hold anymore, okay, for many of the applications, and the process is just getting very complicated, or design just take very long today.
Okay. And last but not least, I'd like to ask both of you gentlemen, maybe Mort, you made some significant announcements at Design Automation Conference, especially in the area of design flows. And maybe tell us just in a nutshell what those are about and why are they significant?
Foundry, there was old time the foundry used to provide the technology and throw it at the customers, and they used to come with the GDS too. As technology is becoming more complex, and at the same time the customer design becoming more complex, this is inevitable that we need more collaboration with EDA vendors, IP providers, to understand what the designs are and the challenges the designers are facing in order to facilitate them to come to the foundry. And when we understand the design, we can customize our process to fit the customer's requirement, the challenges that they have, how we can address that. So working with working with IP providers and EDA are a major task that foundry has got, because it's becoming more and more teamwork rather than single player. So it is inevitable that this collaboration must continue in order to succeed and enable the customer to design first time right.
Okay. Yeah. And last but not least, you announced collaborations with both of the low power formats in the EDA space, right? Which ones have you endorsed? The two EDA, you announced collaborations with the open, the two power formats.
Yes, we are working with Synopsys, Magma, and Mentor, and we are working with them very closely. And at the same time, for example, for power, we have got a device internally, we call it Leon 2, which is a risk-based process that we work with the ADA vendors, not only just provide the technology and the solution, although pipe clean the technology and prove that this low power will work when it reaches our customers. So as far as endorsement is concerned, we are working with all three of them.
Right. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you.